Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We got this Galaxy DX-47HP. That's for RJ in Maryland. RJ in Maryland, this is your tune-up report. Alright, got power, we're going to turn it all the way down. You gotta check it out right up here. 10 watts on the top scale, all the way down is 3. Now I'm going to go to the 100 watt scale. So there's the 3. We'll turn it all the way to the right, and it gives us 30. Our peak reading meter's got a 250 slug. Okay. So this is 100 right here. Going to add a 0, and that's 150. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. I'm losing my voice. It's going away. Alright, so that's low through high power. FM track's the same thing, so you'll see the same carrier there in FM. The same power control circuit. Let's take it on the air real quick. How about a 19's my radio getting out? Hello, come in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I appreciate you taking the time there, yeah. You have a fine day.